Okay, it's time to show you the secret to reading sheet music in record time. In a previous video, I told you that it would take 4 to 6 weeks to learn how to read music fluently. But just to be clear, that time frame is for complete beginners, which by the way is not that long, considering that most students take a significant 5 to 7 years to successfully accomplish this task. However, if you've been playing piano for 2 or more years, then what I'm about to show you will have you reading music instantaneously. The 2-measure sheet music example on your screen is what I like to call traditional music notation. The buttons on the left side of your screen are about to change this. Once I select the letter button, your piano playing is about to become a whole lot less frustrating. And if you're a complete beginner, you're never going to experience the frustrations I was talking about in part 3 of this video series. Okay, if you're ready, here I go. Keep your eyes on the music notes because they're about to change as soon as I click the letter button. Okay, and there you have it. No more guessing. The days of painstakingly picking through each note trying to figure out the letter names are truly over. You can now focus all of your energy on learning playing technique number 2, which deals with rhythm. If you've ever struggled with rhythm, I'm about to show you a technique that will have you playing complex rhythms in a matter of days. If you learn all 9 of my playing techniques, you will never have to take another piano lesson as long as you live. Just think of all the money you're going to save once you've learned the rest of my playing techniques. So why is it so important to have the letter inside each individual music note? Well, it has been my experience over the past 25 years of teaching piano that the vast majority of piano students consistently struggle with rhythm. Students may understand all the different note values, but playing in rhythm is always going to be a struggle when they're constantly trying to figure out the letter names of the music notes. And it only takes one note here and there to throw your entire rhythm off, or to create the occasional pause that stops you from playing in time. Like I said earlier, with the letter names inside each music note, the guessing game will be over. You won't be hesitating anymore as you try to figure out the names of the notes. In part 5 of my Don't Quit Piano series, I will be showing you a very simple technique to help you learn the letter names of the piano keys. This technique fits perfectly with my easy-to-read music notes. I will also give you your first playing assignment in the next video. If you truly want to learn how to play the piano, you've come to the right place. Listen, I get it. Piano lessons are expensive. They can also be frustrating if you have limited free time. So here's my promise to you. I will show you a way of playing complex rhythms that will allow you to start playing your favorite songs in a matter of weeks. So click that subscribe button and stay tuned. So don't give up on your dream of playing the piano until you've seen part 5 of my Don't Quit Piano series. My name is Andrew, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.